Welcome to a different kind of English lesson. A lesson that speaks directly to your mind, your emotions, your confidence, and that quiet voice inside you that truly wants to grow. Today, we are not just learning English, we are reprogramming the way you think in English, the way you feel when you speak English, and the way your mind naturally responds to the language. So take a slow, deep breath in and let it out gently. Let your shoulders soften. Let your thoughts slow down. Let your mind become open and calm. Because this is not a normal English lesson. This is a journey of inner transformation. Let me tell you a story about a man named Daniel. Daniel had been learning English for many years. He watched countless videos. He studied grammar. He memorized hundreds of words. Yet deep inside, he still felt something heavy. He could understand English quite well, but whenever he tried to speak, his voice would suddenly freeze, his mind would go completely blank, and his confidence would disappear in an instant. One quiet evening, after a long and tiring day, Daniel walked into a peaceful park. The sun was slowly setting. The air was cool and fresh. There, sitting on an old wooden bench, was a calm and gentle English teacher. Daniel sat down beside him and said with a tired voice, "I don't know what's wrong with me." The teacher looked at him with kind, soft eyes and replied gently, "Nothing is wrong with you, Daniel. You simply learned English with fear." The teacher continued with a warm voice, "You learned with fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, fear of sounding wrong, and that fear quietly blocks your brain." The teacher placed his hand gently on Daniel's shoulder and said, "If you truly want to speak with confidence, you must reprogram your English brain from the inside. And today, that is exactly what we are going to do together." Let's start with your inner voice. Repeat after me slowly, as if you are speaking kindly to your future self. I'm capable of speaking English clearly. I'm improving every single day. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going with confidence. Good. Let these words sink deep inside you. Now, let's go back to Daniel. The teacher looked at him and said calmly, "English becomes so much easier when you stop fighting it." Repeat after me. English becomes easier when you stop fighting it. I can express myself clearly and naturally. I understand more than I realize. English is becoming a natural part of me. Now, let's go even deeper. Here are 4 powerful phrases. Repeat each one slowly after me. Phrase 1, I am learning to think in English. Phrase 2, I don't translate, I simply understand. Phrase 3, I speak with clarity and calmness. Phrase 4, I'm becoming a confident English speaker. Excellent. You're doing very well. Repeat after me once more. Mistakes help me grow. Every word I speak makes me stronger. I am improving even when I don't notice it. Now, let's practice a short story together. First, listen carefully, then repeat after me slowly. This morning, I opened my eyes slowly. The room was quiet and peaceful. The world felt calm. I made a warm cup of coffee, and I told myself gently, today, I will improve my English, not with pressure, not with fear, but with calmness and quiet confidence. Beautiful. And now we finish with a deep affirmation cycle. Repeat after me slowly, clearly, and with real confidence. I am improving. I am growing. I am becoming fluent. I trust myself. I trust my English. Let's do it one more time. I'm improving. I am growing. I am becoming fluent. I trust myself. I trust my English. You did something truly powerful today. This is how real change happens. This is how you reprogram your English brain slowly, calmly, and powerfully. I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.